Good morning, everyone. I'm Andy, Senior Account Executive for GDMFX. We start with the North American markets. We had the initial jobless claims as expected at 2071. CB leading indicator month-on-month 0.1% better than expected. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey 2.9 better than expected. We had Fed Stanley Fischer speech about emerging Asia in transition. In the relatively near future, probably some major central banks will begin gradually moving away from near zero interest rates. And Dow is going sideways, Nasdaq going sideways as well. Dixie down to 99.08 from 99.26. USD Swiss franc 44 pips down. USD JPY 60 pips down. Events for the day. Tier 1, we have CPI year-on-year for Canada. Also, Bank of Canada CPI core year-on-year. Tier 2, Bank of Canada CPI core month-on-month, CPI month-on-month as well. Continue with the EU markets. We had EU current account at 33.1 billion, better than expected. Swiss trade balance 4.1 million, better than expected. DAX 140 pips up, CAC 30 pips up, Euro USD 55 pips up, also Euro CAD 60 pips up. European stocks were seen opening mixed on Friday after a top index hit a 3-month high in the previous session, with focus on speeches by several European and U.S. central bankers. Draghi speech today. The German Bundesbank president speech again, German producer price index today, and also EU consumer confidence. UK markets, we had retail sales yesterday, worse than expected, red numbers all over the place. Today we have the public sector net borrowing for UK. Asia and Pacific markets, we start with the Chinese leading economic index. For October, it decreased with 1% from previous. It is now at 0.6%. Bank of Japan Monthly Economic Survey showed that Japan's economy has continued to recover moderately, although exports and production have been affected by the slowdown in emerging economies. GBP JPY range 120-34 pips down. Canada and JPY range 80-43 pips down. In the Pacific, commodity currencies including the Australian dollar, South Africa's rand, and the Brazilian real are surging as traders focus on the potential for a gradual cycle of US interest rate increases and ignore a rout in raw material prices. Kiwi versus the USD 70 pips up, Aussie Kiwi 80 pips range yesterday. Continue with the commodities. Gas storage in the US in the week ended November 13th rose by 15 billion British thermal units, below expectations for an increase of 18 billion. Gold had a range of $18, trading at 1,085 now. Silver had a range of 27 cents at 14.29 at the moment. Crude oil had $2 range yesterday at 41.89 at the moment. Gas trading at 2.22 now, range of 12 cents yesterday. Crude futures fell mildly yesterday, remaining near 10-week lows. Gold futures surged by more than 1% on Thursday amid weaker dollar. Gold prices gained in Asia this morning, with investors seeing some support on political risk. Thank you for the attention. Have a good day.